Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the new mythical epic. Its name is Barkbarian, and let's get into the video. Alright, so the new mythical epic just came out, and it looks very cool. If we go down here, here it is, and here we go. It looks very cool. It's got twigs in the back. It's got like a kind of like pinball thing right here. And it's got a shield. And yeah, I really like this. This is Barkbarian, has been in many battles, but he will only look to fight the strongest of monsters in order to test his skills. So yeah, let's look at its walking animation. It should be pretty similar to Arcturion. Yeah. So now we are going to go ahead and look at it as a pet. So what is pet number 185 is, let's look at the stats. Power to hearts, it's pretty good. Plant element, I like this power to hearts because it's like 8 to 3, maybe 7, or 8 to 2, maybe 8 to 3, or 7 to 3. So yeah, we are going to be doing a battle with it. And also 9,303 hearts. It has Force, Hurricane, Overgrowth, Torrent, and Unlimited Power. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into a battle. I'm also going to be showing you this a little more. That's why I am filming this part. So here we go. We are getting into a battle. Okay, so we are going to start it off with Forced Hurricane. And this is going to take a while. Okay, so there we go. We got the question right. And yeah, it is a pretty decent attack. It's pretty much the same as Arcturion's, though. So I didn't see how much damage we did, but that was like 3,294, I think. Let's use Force Hurricane again. And there we go, another question right. So yeah, I do like how it looks. We just did 4,296 damage right there. And we will finish it next battle, or next question. So much or miss. Alright, so we got the question right. There we go, we won the battle. And I really like how Barkbarian looks. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's try and get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That is very unrealistic, but let's see if we can get there anyways.